Main level living with sweeping valley views in one of West Linn's most desirable locations. Perched above the valley, this daylight ranch is just minutes from popular parks and has easy access to shopping and dining, all in a peaceful setting. Vaulted ceilings, a towering stone fireplace, and expansive windows connect the great room to the newly refinished 50-foot view deck. The floor plan flows into the dining room and kitchen, well appointed with double ovens, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Entertain while taking in views stretching from West Linn and beyond. While a private main-level office offers a perfect space to work from home. The main-level primary suite offers its own private deck access, a spacious ensuite bath, and a walk-in closet. Downstairs, the updated lower level includes a spacious family room that opens to another generous view deck, plus a second primary suite with an ensuite bath and a kitchenette. 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath. With over 4,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, multiple outdoor living spaces, and unforgettable views, this West Linn home is ready to be your next chapter. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.